Excuse me. Hello. I have to tell you one thing. Yeah.
What?
Very quickly. I think you look very nice. Yeah.
Thank you.
You look like a cute flamingo.
Flamingo?
You are
Ah.
Russian, yeah?
Yeah.
Really?
How do you know it?
Because of your accent. It's very Russian.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe.
I know babushka, как дела?
Babushka is because of Asap Rocky.
Because of what?
Asap Rocky.
Sub-
You know, maybe it's a singer, Asap Rocky. I know
Ah,
he has...
no.
No?
No, I used to have Russian friends.
Oh.
Yeah.
And what did he tell you about Russia? Like, everyone wear Kalashnikov and
Yeah.
dance with bear and drink vodka.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
It's good.
Yeah, it's funny stereotypes.
Yeah. And you are in London, you are a tourist.
No, I'm here for a business trip. It's like my last day.
You are
And
selling vodka in London.
What I'm saying?
You are selling vodka in London.
No.
Or you are selling bears.
Yes, maybe.
Yeah, is it? You have the bears in
No.
there? Baby bears.
No, I'm just joking. I'm both here for... Yeah, like I work in... And I and my colleagues,
Oh, so you work for them?
yeah, and I got a...
Really?
Yeah, it was a leg. They're really funny.
So you live in Minsk.
Yeah.
That's in Latvia, yeah?
No.
No?
Minsk is in Belarus.
Belarus, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Latvia is Riga, yeah.
Yeah, it's near, but
They're close.
original Latvia is less than Belarus. Belarus is quite bigger, but
Okay.
like nobody knows about Belarus.
So Belarus is better.
Maybe. I don't know original. Like I wasn't in Latvia.
Yeah.
Yeah, so maybe it's better. I don't
But-
know. Like in Minsk we have a lot of Soviet like buildings, and
Yeah.
if you want to feel like people feel in USSR, you can go to Minsk.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's maybe the main.
So it doesn't
purpose
sound
of
really
travel.
that good, does it?
Doesn't sound how?
It doesn't sound amazing.
Like it's maybe not amazing, but it's fascinating.
Yeah.
I mean, like for me, it's quite weird, but I know that a lot of foreigners visit Minsk maybe for these,
Yeah.
these Soviet buildings.
Soviet buildings, because they look like prison, yeah? The Soviet buildings.
yeah, some kind of this.
Yeah. And obviously for London is much more beautiful for you than Minsk.
Maybe, but frankly speaking, like this underground is awful.
Yeah?
Yeah, like I have to like travel to work from places.
You get the central line.
Yeah.
Yeah.
and
The
it's-
central line is not the best, it's true.
Like in the morning, it's so overcrowded, so a lot
Yeah.
of people.
And in Minsk you get the horse, yeah? Or the bear. You jump on the bear. The bear's like, jump on my back.
It's vodka.
With vodka, yeah?
Vodka.
And Red Bull, so you have the energy.
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, like in Minsk, I also use underground, but
Okay.
there we have only 2 lines, and it's
And 2 stops.
no, it's a bit bigger.
Yeah.
Not only 2.
But you know, it's not about size. It's about the quality of the tube.
The quality of what?
It's about the quality of the tube, right? So you have good quality tube in Minsk.
What does the tube mean?
Tube like the underground.
It's not like a good quality. It's real old-fashioned, but it's not so overcrowded, and
Yeah.
it's not so hot
Okay.
in underground. It's mostly
Yeah.
more windy. I don't know, really.
In London, we like it hot because it's like sauna, you know?
Yeah, I feel it.
So it's good for your skin.
I'm not really sure.
And how long you stay in London?
For 1 week,
Okay.
as I mentioned, like this is the last day, and
Today is the last day.
yeah, and today I have a chance to look at London for the first time.
Yeah?
Because, I mean, like not we have like a very good. I mean, like these days previously.
Like what?
When I go to work and
Yeah.
from work, and I kind of see even sign things. I
Okay.
just was in one district.
Yeah.
And
So you've been busy.
not so busy, but my colleagues always wanted to drink in some pub, and we spent all evenings
Yeah.
like that. Yeah, so that's why it's like the first day I see London originally. So some kind of this.
Okay. So where have you been in London? Like, what's your favorite area?
Maybe I can't name some favorite because it's like the first time.
Okay. You haven't. You said you. I know you said you haven't been to that many places.
Yeah.
But have you been to any like tourist areas or no?
I was in Natural Science Museum.
Okay.
And it's pretty cool, like it's so entertaining, but it's also crowded with people and kids and so noisy. And also I see the Buckingham Palace and these funny people with hands.
Yeah. So you saw the Queen.
No, I mean like her guardians.
Yeah.
How to say, yeah, they really funny.
Yeah.
Go from one side to another.
Okay.
Yes, and also, I don't know what I'm saying.
And what do you think of the British guys? Do you prefer the British guys or the guys in Minsk?
I don't know. Like here in London, there are so different people. I can say, like, and from the all sides, I hear different languages.
Yeah.
I hear a lot of Polish language. I hear a lot of, I don't know, maybe some Turkish language.
Turkish.
Maybe. Like I
Yeah.
live in Leighton. There are a lot of, I don't know, like very big diversity of
Yeah.
people.
I think in East London, there's a lots of Eastern European people. Yeah, but London has people from all around the world, you know.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
Like previously, I expected maybe only British people, but now I
No.
see like the situation, like maybe in America,
Yeah,
there are like all people here.
yeah, it's people from all around the world.
Yeah.
That's why I love London, because you can meet like a person from anywhere in the world. You know, you don't need to travel. You can stay in London.
Understand what I mean? Like also
Exactly.
there are a lot of, I don't know, Asian restaurants.
Yeah,
Maybe each time we went to some Asian restaurant.
yeah. Like, what do you mean, Chinese?
Yeah, Chinese. Also there was place with poke. Maybe some was, I don't know, Japanese or Vietnam. So I visited a lot of Asian places.
Yeah.
And I have like been recommended for some Indian place
Indian.
with curry, but I'm not so, how to say, I'm a little bit afraid of really hot curry, so
Yeah,
maybe next time.
yeah, true. Some of them is very spicy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not so like spicy lover.
No.
Not such like Indian
But you know, I
guys.
heard the spice is very healthy for you.
Maybe I know that it's some kind of like sanitize your stomach
Yeah.
from dangerous bacteria. But I'm not really sure because I know that it's important for Asian places where temperature is quite high and bacteria like population be higher than in places where it's much colder.
True.
So that's why they all time eat spicy.
Okay, so that's why they love spicy food in hot
Yeah.
countries.
Like it's not their like taste; it's important for their health.
Yeah.
If I'm not mistaken. So
And can you cook yourself or no?
yeah, so but I'm not really like cooking.
No.
Like I don't have a lot of
Eggs.
time.
You can scramble eggs.
I don't eat eggs.
Oh, you don't need eggs.
No. Like I don't know, from childhood maybe I have some like when you eat eggs and then
Yeah.
you become wet.
Okay.
So that's why I'm not eating eggs.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Okay. What are you doing right now? The second.
Right now I need to wait for my colleagues for 7 o'clock.
For your colleagues.
Yeah, we have like how to say it, like we want to meet at 7 o'clock somewhere here,
Yeah.
and I need to spend time. I don't know. Actually, I was going to visit maybe some shopping center because I'm already tired.
Yeah.
Of walking around London. Yeah.
Is in London everybody loves walking.
Yeah, Yeah, but like I'm started from 11 o'clock.
Today?
Yes.
And you've been walking?
I use metro.
You should
time.
take a you should take a break.
Yes, little breaks, but
I'm gonna meet my friend in like half an hour.
okay.
Yeah, but I was gonna grab a green tea.
Green tea.
Yeah,
Oh, are you?
because I'm healthy like that.
It's good.
Yeah, so if you like, because we are talking here, we can go sit down for 10 minutes, have a green tea in a coffee shop, and then you can go to your
Where
friends.
do you want to go?
There is one here.
Costa Coffee?
Yeah, you've been there already?
Yes.
Okay, we can go to another place.
Okay.
Or,
First of all, what's your name?
yeah. You? Okay, I had a friend called
Yeah, really?
in the university.
Oh, I think it's not so.
It's a popular Russian name, yeah?
Home, I think.
Yeah.
Maybe popular.
It's
like
like,
to not to be so popular.
Yeah, like Anna,
Yeah, Anna Maria.
Anastasia.
Yes, Anastasia
Yeah.
is a very popular name. Like each two girls, Anastasia. Yes.
You shout Anastasia on the street and like 5 people look back.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Original, that's fine.
Okay.
It's like, okay,
So let's go.
let's go. Okay.
So tomorrow you fly to Minsk.
Yeah, from Heathrow, but I also have some like break in Poland.
Yeah,
Will be quite nervous.
you're nervous.